good morning guys. Maayo
about
mga
it,
sa atong tanan.
but I hear the
Buska balinghoy.
blame is mine. And I call you up to say I'm sorry, but I wouldn't wanna waste your time. 'Cause I love you, but I can't take anymore. There's a look I can't describe in your eyes. If we could try like we tried before, would you keep on telling me those lies? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? There's no way to make up, 'cause it seemed your mind was set. When the way you looked, it told me it's a look I know I'll never forget. You could have come over to my
Kaagi ka mga guys, magamamok daw. Nakudkudan ko. Mano-mano. Taas guys na. Ba? Kinanan drohon ta. Okay na. Diyaw madahat ka ubos duman ka blinghoy vlog guys na. Pabukalan tanay para nga maghumok-humok kay. Ilakot ay panggata. Diyaw, ilakot na guys so diyang paksiw. Paksiw baboy ba. Na. Lakot na vlog guys. Na. Amuda ta na. Tapos itong anang itong sagindahan lang, dugang ko dyan. Yan. Day ubos kabling hoy lang ang manamit. Bong manamit. Ari ang pinising na guys oh. Na. Ari oh. Na. Pao mahubas jak ron. Sa kanan.